What's going on, y'all? We about to do some short ribs. Sous vide, y'all. Sous vide. They're gonna be so juicy and tender. Oh my goodness. But anyway, let's get it. And oh yeah, don't forget to give me that LSS. That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And hey, hit that notification bell and become part of the LSS family, y'all. Because every time you come on this channel right here, we always gonna have something tasty on tap for you. Oh yeah, y'all. We got some nice beef ribs today. And we gonna get these sous vide up. But of course, the first thing we need to do, we need to go ahead and rain on them. We gonna hit them with a little bit of rub. Now I'm using some beef rub. Then we gonna hit it with some paprika and some salt and pepper. Now, my beef rub has no salt in it. That's why I'm using salt and pepper after. Now, when you make your rub, you can make it with salt in it if you prefer that way. I just like to be able to control the amount of salt and pepper in my rub. That's why I do it this way. And then we just gonna sop all that rub up and get into that bag. Hit it with a little bit of that Worcestershire sauce and a little bit of grapeseed oil. Then we're gonna go ahead and set our sous vide machine at 180 degrees for 24 hours and vac it on down. Get it into that water bath, and I'll see you tomorrow, guy. I'll see you tomorrow. And of course, 24 hours later, we're going to pour that juice off into a jar because that juice makes some of the best gravy, and we have mashed potatoes. And then we're going to torch our ribs. Just to give it a little color because they already done, y'all. They already done. And make a crust too. And look at that finished product, y'all. See how that rib just fell right on off of there? Oh my goodness. So tasty, y'all. So tasty. But anyway, love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.